What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So this is going to be episode 4 of the Panigale V4S build series. So if you're just tuning in, I'm going to put a link to the playlist of the build series in the top right. It's going to have all the past episodes and any episodes moving forward if you're just catching this video right now. But for today's episode, it's going to be a quick one. We're just removing these reflectors from the Brembo calipers, and it's a pretty quick job. You just need to get some spacers basically to fill in the spot where the reflector did mount, and that's it. So let's get to it. So for this job, you're going to need an 8mm Allen socket head, and of course, the spacers themselves. So they have these in just straight raw titanium, or you can get them in different colors. So I'll leave a link in the description below of where you can find both. You can get raw titanium, or you can get red, black, and gold as well. So I'll leave those both in the description. And you're also going to need a torque wrench to put these back on at the specified torque. So take your 8mm, we're going to crack these bolts. Okay, and then same one up top. Now if you can see, this kind of just dropped down. That's because this is acting like a spacer, just like you can see right here. So we're just going to back the bolts out just enough to slide both of these out and then slide in our new spacers. We don't have to remove the actual calipers. So top one removed. Bottom one's now removed. So we're going to take our spacer kit. So now that the caliper's a little bit off, I'm just going to slide the spacer in up top, get the bolt over it. Same thing for the bottom, then reposition them. Make sure to screw them in by hand so you're not going to cross thread them, but they're going in pretty easy. And then we're going to get them seated before we move to the torque wrench. So for the front caliper bolts, we're looking at 33.1 foot-pounds. So we got our torque wrench here, and try to do them evenly. So just going to the bottom, just doing a little bit here, doing a little bit up top, and just kind of go back and forth till we reach 33 foot-pounds. And there you go. So just do the same on the other side, and now you don't have a reflector on your front calipers, and you're done. Alright guys, here's the finished look of the caliper spacers, removing that reflector. Definitely cleans up your brakes, cleans up the front end. So let's take it up top. Alright everyone, so that's going to do it for this video. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely drop a like if it was helpful to you. Feel free to drop a comment in the comment section below. Respond to all the comments in my videos. And if you're new to the channel or new to the video, definitely subscribe. We got a lot of cool stuff coming for the Panigale. I think you guys are going to enjoy it. So we'll see you next time, and as always, ride safe.